The Wüsthof? The Dalstrong or MITSUMOTO SAKARI? Perhaps the KYOKU or the Bigsun chef Gyutou? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 Nakiri knives available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Nakiri knives. The 5th product on this list is the MITSUMOTO SAKARI Nakiri Chef's Knife. This Nakiri chef knife is a top-notch kitchen tool that any home cook or professional chef would be thrilled to have in their collection. This knife is crafted using the traditional Japanese hand forging method, which involves 45 days of manual work to create a perfect shape and gorgeous texture. The result is a knife that is functional and a work of art. The blade is made of 3 layers of top-grade 9CR18 MOV high-carbon steel, which has been treated with precision quenching and vacuum cold nitrogen to enhance its corrosion resistance, rust prevention, and toughness. The blade's ultra-thin 0.11-inch sharp edge can effortlessly cut through fruits, vegetables, and meat while preserving their ideal ripeness and delicious flavors. The solid rosewood knife handle is another highlight of this knife. The precious summer sourwood wood from Southeast Asia creates an ergonomically designed octagonal handle that provides a secure and comfortable grip. This minimizes wrist tension and allows for flexibility in adjusting your cutting angle. In terms of quality, MITSUMOTO SAKARI products pass strict quality audits. The professional service team can provide a satisfactory resolution if you encounter any issues with the chef knife. Overall, this chef knife is an excellent choice for those who are passionate about cooking and appreciate high-end craftsmanship. Its exceptional quality and gift box packaging make a perfect gift for loved ones on special occasions, such as Christmas, weddings, birthdays, Father's Day, or Mother's Day. Its pros are: it is made using hand forging methods and advanced technology, resulting in a beautiful and functional work of art. It has a blade made of top-grade high-carbon steel, and it has a handle of solid rosewood that is ergonomically designed to minimize wrist tension and provide a secure and comfortable grip. However, some users find that the knife requires regular sharpening to maintain its sharpness, which may be time-consuming for some users. The MITSUMOTO SAKARI Nakiri Chef's Knife is an exceptional choice for honing your knife skills and elevating your culinary expertise to new heights. Up next in 4th place is the Bigsun chef Gyutou. This all-purpose professional kitchen Damascus Santoku knife is a top-quality blade perfect for slicing, dicing, mincing, and chopping vegetables, fruits, and meats. The blade comprises 67 Japanese Damascus super steel layers with a fine polishing surface that provides exceptional corrosion resistance and strong toughness. The manual convex sharp edge is more durable and easier to sharpen, and with vacuum heat treatment, the hardness is stable at 60 plus 2 HRC for long-lasting sharpness. The handle of this knife is made from paka wood, which is comfortable and ergonomic to hold, providing a nice finishing touch. The knife comes in a high-quality gift box, making it an excellent gift for all home cooks and professional chefs. However, it is essential to note that this knife should not be used to cut frozen meat or bones, and it should be sharpened regularly with a whetstone to maintain its edge. The Bigsun chef Gyutou is an excellent choice if you want a high-quality, versatile, and incredibly sharp knife for daily use. Overall, this knife is an exceptional kitchen tool that provides a precise and effortless cutting experience. Plus, with a 100% satisfaction or money-back guarantee, you can even try this knife risk-free and enjoy a lifetime of exemplary service. Its pros are: it is made to be corrosion-resistant, so it will last for years. Its edge is durable and easier to sharpen, providing long-lasting cutting ability. And it has a handle made of paka wood, providing a comfortable and ergonomic design. However, it is not suitable for cutting frozen meat or bones. The Bigsun chef Gyutou is an excellent kitchen tool for precisely slicing fresh ingredients and preparing a delicious dinner. Still haven't found a Nakiri knife that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the KYOKU Shogun series. This next unit is a 7-inch highly functional, well-crafted kitchen knife made with VG10 Japanese Damascus steel. The knife boasts unparalleled performance and edge retention with an HRC 5860 hardness level. The blade is ruthlessly sharp, handcrafted by skilled artisans and cryogenically treated for flexibility, hardness, and corrosion resistance. The knife's straight blade ensures comfortable and fatigue-free slicing and chopping. On top of that, the G10 handle is meticulously constructed and triple riveted, impervious to heat, cold, and moisture, and accented with the mosaic pin for a luxurious touch. We found that the knife is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, with a unique hammer-beaten wave pattern that gives way to traditional Damascus steel design. The knife's full-tank construction ensures balanced performance and comfortable handling. One downside to this knife is that the blade requires pretty regular maintenance and sharpening to maintain its effectiveness, which may be a downside for those less experienced with knife maintenance. All in all, the KYOKU Daimyo Series 7-inch Nakiri knife is a high-quality and well-crafted kitchen knife, perfect for professional chefs and home cooks looking for a durable and effective kitchen tool. Its superior design and craftsmanship offer an unparalleled cooking experience and a lifetime warranty guaranteeing its quality and performance. Its pros are: it has an ultra-sharp VG10 Japanese Damascus steel cutting core that provides exceptional performance and edge retention. It has an ergonomic and well-balanced design that alleviates fatigue and finger pains from long periods of use. And it comes with a lifetime warranty and free exchange or returns if the item is defective. However, it requires hand washing, otherwise you risk chipping or bending the blade and damaging the handle. The KYOKU Shogun series knife is beautifully crafted and would be an excellent asset to your culinary endeavors. The second product on this list is the Wüsthof Classic IKON. Here, we have a masterpiece of design and functionality. The Wüsthof's Classic IKON series has a sleek and sophisticated black handle with a double bolster that provides exceptional balance, beauty, and the ultimate cutting experience. The knife is precision forged from a single block of high-carbon stainless steel and tempered to 58-degree HRC. This 7-inch Nakiri knife is designed with a thinner blade than the traditional cleaver and features a long straight edge. The hollow edge is made with spaced vertical indentations that have a small air pocket between the blade and the food, ensuring precise cuts with minimal effort. The knife is durable and crafted to resist corrosion and dulling, which makes it a great addition to any kitchen. What's more, this German-made kitchen knife set comes with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you the peace of mind that you are investing in a product of the highest quality. With 7 generations of family ownership and over 200 years of experience, Wüsthof continues to perfect its craft and create beautiful and functional knives. Overall, the Wüsthof Classic IKON 7-inch Nakiri knife is an excellent investment for any home cook or professional chef looking for a high-quality durable blade that will last a lifetime. Its pros are: it features a double bolster designed for exceptional balance and beauty, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Its handle is made of a highly durable synthetic material that will last for years, and it comes with a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind and customer support. However, its weight is more noticeable due to the fairly short handle, so you may experience wrist fatigue after a while. The Wüsthof Classic IKON is very well designed and will certainly be a valuable resource for enhancing your dinner-making abilities. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top Nakiri knife is the Dalstrong Gladiator series. If you're in the market for a high-quality kitchen knife that combines precision, durability, and aesthetics, then the Dalstrong knife is an excellent choice. This knife boasts outstanding craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, stunning design elements, and premium materials, all of which come together to deliver peak performance that has never looked so good at this price. Crafted from imported high-carbon German steel, the knife features a razor-sharp full-tang blade that is hand-polished to a 16 to 18-degree angle on each side. It's precisely tempered and stain-resistant, making it a versatile tool for chopping, slicing, and dicing fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, fish, boneless meats, and more. The knife's award-winning design features a luxurious black G10 handle that is triple riveted, providing a comfortable and maneuverable grip. The handle is laminated and polished for a sanitary build, which is perfect for busy kitchens. Additionally, the knife is made to be perfect at 56+ Rockwell hardness and hand-polished to a satin finish, ensuring improved edge retention, flexibility, and minimal slicing resistance. We found that the Dalstrong knife is a masterfully designed tool that will make any chef's life easier. Its tall blade height provides applicable knuckle clearance, and it's National Sanitation Foundation certified, ensuring it is a reliable and safe tool for use in any kitchen. Thousands of professional chefs and home cooks already trust the Dalstrong, and with a 100% satisfaction or money-back guarantee, you can try it risk-free and discover why they love it so much. Its pros are: it has an ergonomic handle designed for comfortable grip, control, and maneuverability. It has a razor-sharp blade with a 16 to 18 degree edge angle, perfect for chopping. It's made with exceptional craftsmanship and premium materials, and it is NSF certified and stain-resistant blade for improved hygiene and ease of maintenance. However, you may find that the high-carbon steel blade requires extra care to prevent rust and corrosion. The Dalstrong Gladiator series is a brilliant Nakiri knife that provides an ideal cutting experience for any kitchen. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.